Blood Moon Lunar Eclipse. What is a blood moon? Okay, let me explain it to you in a brief and easy language. Current affairs for SSCs and competitive. Brought to you by SM Target 360 Career Institute. Join our institute for more of this. Have you seen the moon glowing red in the sky on the night of September 7, 2025? This rare and magical sight is called a blood moon lunar eclipse. Let's understand how it happens. It happens every 2.5 years. The next one will be visible in December 2028. What is a lunar eclipse? A lunar eclipse happens when the Earth comes between the Sun and the Moon, casting its shadow on the Moon. Why the red color? Instead of turning completely dark, the Moon looks red. Why? Because Earth's atmosphere bends sunlight, filtering it and sending the red glow onto the Moon, just like the colors we see at sunrise and sunset. Phases of the lunar eclipse. A total lunar eclipse has 7 phases. 1. Penumbral eclipse begins, a faint shadow touches the Moon. 2. Partial eclipse begins, a dark bite appears. 3. Total eclipse begins. The Moon enters Earth's shadow and starts turning red. 4. Maximum eclipse, the Moon glows bright red. 5. Total eclipse ends, the red color fades. 6. Partial eclipse ends, the shadow moves away. 7. Penumbral eclipse ends, the Moon returns to normal. Moon phase. A blood moon can only happen during a full moon, when the Sun, Earth, and Moon align in a straight line. Beautiful red moon in the sky, with stars. So the next time you see the moon turning red, you'll know it's Earth's shadow at work, painting the full moon into a glowing blood moon. Like and subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos.